Hey guys, this is Northville Tech. In this video, we're going to learn how to sign up for Logos. Logos Bible software is a digital library application for studying the Bible electronically. It provides extensive resource linking, note-taking functionality, and linguistic analysis for studying the Bible in translation and in its original languages. Open the website logos.com, then click on Register. Now, enter the email address you wish to use. Then click on Next. After that, enter all the required information, such as your full name and the password you wish to use. Adding a phone number is just optional. Then if you want to receive news and special offers, click on the tick box beside Sign Me Up to hear about news and special offers. Also, to receive offers from Faithlife, click on the tick box beside Send Me relevant offers from Faithlife's trusted partners. After that, click on Create Account. That's how you sign up for Logos. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos almost every day. Also check out our website northvilletech.com for great tech articles, and our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.